What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a couple of little things. First off, we're going to have a trail run pretty soon. It's going to be on July 6th, so make sure to mark your calendar. If you guys do want to stay tuned on the exact details, make sure to be following us on Instagram. It will be in the description box below, so stay tuned for that. The next thing that I did want to mention is I did end up upgrading my audio system. I haven't installed it yet, so for today's video, we're going to go ahead and unbox that new audio system that I did get. It's going to be brand new speakers, it's going to be a brand new subwoofer and tweeters. I know I just recently did a video on it, so I'm going to be doing another one with a different product, so stay tuned for that install video. Once I show you that, right now, what are we going to be doing after all that stuff? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, we have a day trip up here in Big Bear. We went to the Adventure Van Expo, so we went up here to Holcomb Valley Trail, and we're just kind of taking advantage of the rest of our day up here, not letting it go to waste.
We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing what's inside. So I did end up going with OEM Audio Plus. This company does make it for many other vehicles, so if you do want to check them out, they will be in the description box. I know I do have kickers in there right now, but I believe this is going to make a change. Ask questions on why I made the switch, and I'll go ahead and answer them in the installation video. Alright, so here we have the OEM Audio Plus. We're going to go ahead and start with the rear speakers. I'm going to go ahead and show you how they look. So when you pull them out, so if you guys do remember when I did do my kicker install on my 2018 Toyota Tacoma, you had to purchase separate brackets, and two, you had to purchase another wiring harness adapter to make the kicker a plug and play type system with the actual truck. So the way the OEM Audio Plus did it is they basically made their own OEM bracket into the speaker. So that's pretty awesome of them to offer that. So everything's going to be plug and play, nice and easy. Carbon fiber looks really nice. Let's go ahead and open the next ones. These are going to be the rear speakers. On the rear speakers, you are going to notice, one, they are a little bit smaller, which is a 6.5. The ones for the front are 6x9. So with these rear ones, it's also going to come with the tweeter on it, but it's basically going to be the same outline. So you're still going to have the bracket that comes around it that's embroidered basically into the speaker. So you're not going to need to buy a separate bracket. You're not going to need to buy no extra wire adapters because it's going to be a 100% plug and play. If you see on both the front and the rear, it has like some foam pad on it. I believe that's either for vibrations or for maybe a better seal when you go ahead and install them. It's going to be nice and tight. So now that I showed you how the front speakers look, how the rear speakers look, the differences between the both, this is going to be the subwoofer. So I believe it is an 8-inch. The cool thing about this one, it's literally going to, you guys will see when I do the installation video, but with this one, it's a lot easier to install it. Anybody with no knowledge of installing speakers can do this installation. That's the cool thing about OEM Audio Plus. But yeah, so what this one does is you guys don't need to remove any of your plastics that are behind the seat, because this thing fits literally right into those plastic cubbies. Like I said, you'll see when I do the installation video what I mean exactly, but this is a good method of building. Of the way they did it, I think it's cool. I'm going to emphasize this a lot even when I do the installation video. If you have no knowledge, this is probably going to be the way to go, because it's going to be simple. So the tweeters are going to look a lot different than the aftermarket type tweeters that are on the market, which I know you guys have seen the kickers that I have installed in mine. But with these ones, these are going to be a 1-inch soft dome tweeter, I believe. And as you could tell, the bracket's just basically with the actual tweeter. So it's going to be a nice, easy plug and play type of thing. No joke, I'm excited to put this in, let everybody hear it, let my friends hear it, family, let Chris hear it. That way he could jump on board and buy one of these bad boys maybe. So now I'm going to show you guys the amplifier. So the amplifier is going to be right here. So if you guys do remember when I did my kicker installation video, I had to utilize one of my storage panels to go ahead and place the actual amp because it is a little bigger than this. So the cool thing about OEM Audio Plus, as you can tell, it's going to be discreet, it's going to be little. The best part about this actual amplifier, it goes right underneath your driver's seat. So you're never going to see it. Even if you look under, it's going to look OEM. So you're not really going to see anything there. So I think that's pretty cool that they did it this way. And then as stated, anybody can do this. I'm not going to go open this right now until I actually do the installation. But all the wiring harness and everything, there's no splicing to this. It's literally just plug and play. Everything's already pre-measured. So that's awesome. Anybody can do this. I'm sorry I'm emphasizing it. I want you guys to know that. And stay tuned for the video. It should be soon. Shouldn't be in too long. I've just been really busy with work, so I haven't had a chance to do it. Once I do get it installed, if you guys do want to check it out and you guys see me, it doesn't matter if you guys see me at the store or anywhere you guys see me at, on a trail, anything like that, you guys want to listen to it, let me know. I'll be glad to play it.